Hello everyone, this is Jatin here. Really sorry I couldn't upload a video last week because I was working on this concept, price and volume. It takes a little bit extra time because you have to choose from different type of charts. What type of charts we can see for the typical price action or the typical price volume structures. So I had uploaded a blog regarding the relation of price and volume, and I had given a key fact that how price and volume play out in the market. So let's say if the price is going up, and consequently or with the price the volume is also going up, that is a great sign in the market. At the same time, when the price is falling, and if there is no significant increase in volume, that shows that the price is trying to remove all the weaker players who had taken positions in the market looking at the running market, and now they tend to exit from the market. Okay, so let's look at the first example. This company name is Oriental Aromatics Limited. So what I would suggest is ignore the time frame, ignore the company name or anything, just try to understand the concept. All right, so over here we can see the price goes up, there is a significant increase in volume. Can you look at this bar? Volume bar, good volume increase. And here when the price fell down over here, these three candles, price fell down around what percent? Around 18% drop in price, but no volume increase. Okay. Recently, when price went up on 26th April, good volume increase. This is a white body candle, and now the price is coming down around again, yeah, 20% again, but there is no increase in volume. So the concept is simple. Whatever I had thought, first of all, what we have to look in a chart is a strong uptrend. This is a strong uptrend. Secondly, what we have to look at it is wide range candles. This is a wide range candle, wide range candle, and increase in volume whenever that wide range candle forms. So we can clearly see currently wide range candle with increase in volume, price coming down. There is no such big wide range candle and no increase in volume. This is typically a good sign. And if the market supports, then the setup is really good for the stock. So we've looked at this structure. Now let's look at this company, Action Construction Equipment. This is also indeed a great chart. So if we see again here, the price came down. There is no volume. When the price was going up, these were the wide range candles. This is the volume, good volume. Now the price came down, no volume. Again, the price made an attempt to come down. There is no volume at all. And then just look how when price was rallying, this was the volume. This is typically a good sign for the stock. So what we have to look at is just follow your basics. Look at the trend. This is a strong uptrend, higher high and higher low in place. Look for typical wide range candles, these kind of wide range candles, and look for the corresponding volume, that when the wide range candle forms, is the volume increasing. And when the price comes down, don't be fearful because it will take support at somewhat this level. And while it is coming down, if there are no big candles, small candles, but there is no volume, that is really a good sign, because that shows that stronger hands are accumulating the stock and all the weaker hands are just exiting the stock because they feel that the market is going to crash and the price is coming down. This happens in the market. So let's look at the last stock for the day. Shakti Pumps, good stock. I'll look at a daily time frame over here, not here, just a moment. Yeah. Yes, this is a good chart. As I told you guys, ignore the time frame, just look at it. This is simple. The price went up over here, fell down. Look how volume decreased. Again, look at it. Price went up over here. Look at the volume, big volume. Price came down a little, dry up. Again, price went up, huge volume, good volume. And now price is again trying to come down, but there is no significant volume increase. So if so in this stock we can clearly spot how from the top, let's say the stock might have corrected somewhat from the top from 908 to what this is 17%. 17%, many of them would have exited, simply exited, because they cannot bear this kind of fall. Whereas now the basics come in again, they kick in again. This is a strong uptrend, higher high, higher low in the place, and good wide range candles. We can clearly spot them. This one, and you can see this hammer, hammer again, second hammer. Structure itself is really strong. So as I had told you, OAL, Oriental Aromatics, this stock on a weekly time frame is strong. Shakti pumps and Action Construction Equipment. So as a homework for all the people watching my videos, as a homework, do observe these three stocks. And I would like to mention the fact that there is not an investment or a trading recommendation. This is just for education purpose. Observe these stocks in the coming 2-3 weeks and try to analyze as what exactly is happening. When you yourself do this, yourself do the observation, what happens is you gain that practical knowledge from the market, which is always better. So that's the thing which I would like to share. Same is the thing is Oriental Aromatics, the price is coming down, but there is no volume as such. So let's see whatever happens in the stock. So guys, I hope you might be liking my videos, and if you like the video, please share with all of your friends, everyone who's eager to learn technical analysis. It is really important to have a second source of income in life, and it can be stock markets for the people who are willing to learn over here, and then they can earn. So always keep learning, keep a major focus on learning and then on earning, and you'll definitely do great. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead, and stay safe everyone. Thank you.